Hello everyone and welcome back to the KZ Lab. Today it's about 25 degrees Fahrenheit or -4 degrees centigrade out here. So I thought what better day than to do an icy cold start of our LTD 650. Got the jump box to help the battery out because this battery has been sitting out here in the cold too. Just kicked it a few times to prime, get some fuel into the carbs, and I adjusted the throttle position, but it still hasn't started yet. You know, it's ice cold. Let's try to do this with one hand. All right, ignition is on. Let's see if we can kick it over. Almost.